Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Suite App. The pros, the cons. Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Suite app is designed to simplify marketing automation, but does it truly deliver for large-scale teams? On the positive side, Autopilot offers visual journey mapping, multi-channel campaign automation, and advanced customer segmentation. The surprising truth is that enterprises can create complex campaigns using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to automate emails and web messaging. Its integration with CRMs and analytics tools ensures every tech point is tracked and optimized. Many companies see improved lead nurturing, higher conversion rates, and better alignment between marketing and sales teams. However, there are some drawbacks. Most people get this wrong. They assume Autopilot can handle every automation scenario out of the box. While the platform is powerful, advanced workflows or unique integrations may require technical expertise or developer support. Additionally, pricing for enterprise plans can grow quickly as contact lists and campaign complexity expand. Some users also report that reporting and analytics, while functional, may lack the depth offered by specialized tools. In conclusion, Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Suite app is ideal for enterprises looking for a visual, multi-channel automation platform that simplifies campaign management. Its strengths lie in journey mapping, customer segmentation, and ease of use, but teams should be prepared for potential complexity when scaling campaigns. With the right planning, Autopilot empowers marketing teams to streamline operations, nurture leads effectively, and drive measurable growth across multiple channels.